Good morning, my friend. Hey, I get this question a lot, and that is, will refinancing or paying off my auto loan lower my credit score? And the answer to that is most likely. And the reason it will lower your credit score is because FICO, part of the algorithm, is how long you keep your accounts open. So your average length of credit history. See, when you take out a car loan for 5 years and you pay it off early, that costs the banks money. And they don't really like losing money. They like making money, right? Just like most businesses. And so what they'll do is they've teamed up with their partners. Come on, swear. Sorry, I'm walking my dog across the street here. But they teamed up with their partners at FICO. And the deal is, if you pay off your loans early, they'll lower your credit score because it costs them money, like I said. And it also increases the likelihood of you missing a payment. And so it messes with the algorithm at FICO. So let me give an example. See, when you go into a dealership and you buy a vehicle, they'll pull your credit sometimes 20, 30 times. And the reason for that is because they're trying to find the best commission from the bank. See, when you buy at a dealership, they're actually the original creditor, and they sell your loan to a bank, and they can make thousands and thousands of dollars. Last week, I bought a brand new 2021 Rubicon, and the dealership made almost $8,000 by selling the financing to Chrysler Financial. And this is the way the dealerships make money, in addition to selling the cars. So many times when you refinance, they will lower your credit score. So watch one of my other videos on how to not lower your credit score, but still not pay interest.